Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making some oatmeal milk and honey soap for you guys today. This is my first voiceover video, so I'm so excited to see if you guys like this. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know. I found a really amazing fragrance oil for this oatmeal milk and honey fragrance. I've tried a few in the past, but this one is definitely my favorite. Smells so delicious. I went ahead and blended up some gold shade there and added a little bit of brown to darken it up a bit. This is going to go down halfway into my soap mold. I added my fragrance oil and just giving it a good blend. Going to pour that halfway up the mold. Scraping out my soap, putting a little indentation in the soap. I'm noticing that it's not quite set up enough. So I set that aside and I'm blending up a light gold shade and some white. I'm going to be doing a little in the pot swirl with those two colors. Looks so creamy. I'm so happy with how these colors are turning out. Checking my soap over there. It looks like it's good to go. So I'm just tapping my spatula in there, trying to make some divots for a nice little wave in there. Trying to get all the air bubbles out. Next, I'm going to be doing a little bit of glitter on top to do a nice mica line. It's very shimmery, biodegradable glitter. I'm super excited to see how that line is going to turn out in the middle. I went ahead and dumped my swirled soap on top, and I'm giving it a tap on the floor to get those air bubbles out. I didn't want to shake the camera on the table there. Now I'm just scraping out my pots and adding the rest of the soap on top to make a cute little design. I added some gold glitter on top. Gave it a swirl, and now I'm adding some just some bubble wrap to give it a nice honeycomb design when I peel it up tomorrow when I cut it. Now I just ran into the kitchen grabbing some oatmeal as a last thought. I thought it looked super cute on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and add that on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the soap cut. Please subscribe. Bye.